know the meaning of every word of Mahamrityunjaya mantra before you chant it. Triambakam Trini Ambakani Yasya Saha Triambakaha. The one with the three eyes. Tam Him Triambakam Yajamahe. We worship Sugandhim, the one who is fragrant with the fragrance of joy, compassion and forgiveness. Bhagavan is of that nature. It's an adjective for the Bhagavan. Pushtivardhanam is also an adjective which means the one who nourishes growth, our spiritual growth. Urvarukam, a cucumber or any gourds or melons. Iva means just as. So just as a ripe cucumber naturally detaches itself from the creeper, in the same manner, bandhanat, from the bondage, mrityoho, of the death or even birth, the entire birth and death cycle. Mukshiya, kindly liberate me. Ma, don't or never, from the immortality, which means liberate me from the bondage of birth and death and grant me the immortality. Well, here is the summary of the meaning. Feel free to take a screenshot of it for your reference. Save this reel and don't forget to share it with every Sanatani you know. Namaste.